Putting together a Ramsey 12 series. Gotta go in evenly. There we go, it's in there. This is rounded off. That is cracked open. Where that part goes in, that's rounded off. It's the first time ever working on a winch. There's a new one. This is the new one. The bearing goes up and down. Can't even move it at all. It's seized on there. Because it cracked open. It's got pressure on it. New one of these. It's perfectly in here. Trying to see if there's any difference on which side it goes. First, I'm going to try to line these holes up with the holes down here. This winch is broken. That's cracked right there, which holds one of these bars that holds the whole winch together, and then that one's completely broken off, and these are aluminum pieces. I'm going to try to stick weld them with aluminum welding rod. I'm going to see how it turns out. Hopefully it's nice and strong. Could be a little tricky welding with aluminum. We're going to have to clean real good and preheat and possibly heat after we stop welding. Big ugly welds. You have to grind it down and re-drill holes, but it's better than nothing. This is my first time welding aluminum.